Hello friends, this is Richa Sharma. Welcome to my channel Let's Study with Richa. Today we will discuss next topic, problem in curriculum development of population education. Okay. So first is political constraints. There are some political questions while deciding the curriculum of the population education, because the data which will be added in the curriculum that would be given to all students, and students will learn it and they will make their memory for the population education, and regarding the they will make a picture of the recent trends of the population which will be added in the curriculum. Okay, so it will affects the political point. It was seen as a political point of view. So there is a problem to decide the curriculum content in point of view the political constraints. Next is social culture constraints. The curriculum should be decided so that it will not affect any social or cultural constraint. Okay, it will not affect any social, religious or any other emotions. Next is psychopedagogical constraints. It contains new area of study, because as a population education is a new subject, so it's very difficult to arrange the book material, the syllabus of the new area of study. So it's very difficult for the teacher also, which they can prepare easily. They have to add that curriculum. Okay. Next is conservation of teacher and education administrations, because sometimes teachers are so conserved they can't speak out what is the problem coming out in the curriculum, or what will they face during the teaching of population education. So there are some conservations between teacher and education administration. Third is multidisciplinary character. Like population education is a multidisciplinary character subject. How? Because population education covers many areas, like its impacts, its effects, its positive points on the environmental effects. Population has an impact on, I think, in every field of the development of the country. So it has multidisciplinary character. So that's why it's very difficult to arrange the curriculum in this point of view, which content should be taken or which content should not be taken. Okay, dearth of personnel, like there is a dearth means kami, reduction. There is a reduction of the personnel, a skilled personnel who can teach according to the demand and need of the students and in relation to the subject. Next is selection of the content. As I told you, which content should be selected for the primary, for the elementary level or secondary level or senior secondary level. It's very difficult to decide. Next is nature of the learner. How the learner will take its content. It's the main problem in the curriculum development, because the students will learn and they will make a picture of the country's population. Okay, so it's a very problem creating situation for the teacher to develop a curriculum. Next is constraints of school system. There are some constraints of school system, like some schools cannot provide the book materials or the skilled teachers or any other programs. They can't arrange the programs that the students need for the population education's knowledge. So these are some problems which comes under the curriculum development of population education. I hope the concept is clear to you. If there is any confusion, you can comment me. I will respond to you immediately. So and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and please like my videos. Thank you so much.